I don't know how to start it. Hi, I thought I'd do a quick little video of clothes packing for a weekend away. This is obviously different to what we do if we're going away for longer, but this is just for a weekend away. Need to be mindful that we do live in far north Queensland. I think today it's about 34 degrees and the humidity is sitting around 90%. So obviously our packing is a little bit different to if we're going somewhere where the temperatures are much less. So one thing that has evolved over the time is packing what I call like a shower bag. So we used to have a bag with our towels in it and then each kid had their pajamas in separate bags. But now I do up one bag, which basically is the bag to have to take to have a shower or next to the camper. So in that we have a towel, a bath mat, a face washer, and then a set of pajamas. So also in here, if we're going somewhere with $2 showers or somewhere where you have to pay, we'd put some money in here for that. And we have a shared toiletry bag that stays in the camper, so we just have to grab that as well. The next thing that we've got packed is, I use these little, I think they're designed for fresh fruit and vegetables, but they're little produce bags. So we use these for the kids for their outfits. So basically in each bag, because it is warm where we are, we just have scissors for my son. So we have a pair of shorts, a t-shirt and a pair of undies, and they just go into one of these bags. And then, so for a weekend away, we've got 4 outfits, so a couple of spares there. So then literally the kids can just grab a bag, know that there's everything in there to wear for the day. I originally come from Tassie. You never leave home without a jumper. So despite the fact it will probably never get worn, we also just have got in here some warm stuff. So a jumper and a pair of track pants and a long sleeve top. Then this last little bag that we pack is generally just some spares. So we've got some spare jammies in here, spare undies, a little blanket, which is more of a comfort thing, a raincoat and a sun hat. And that is pretty much us packed for a weekend away. So we've had these North Face duffel bags. This one's a medium, but for a weekend away we really only need a small, but this was just what we already had. These are great because they're dustproof, waterproof and very sturdy. We've had these for a good 10 years or more and they're still going strong. So we each have our own one of these with our clothes in it. And the other thing that we've just done for our 7-year-old daughter is her own packing list to give her a bit of responsibility. So basically we can fill in how many days we're away and how many outfits that she needs, and then she can go through the list and check it off herself and hopefully pack for herself.